Hanyo hailam sogo khazani joto tako buksungno. Tini ni current affairs show 30 June 2020. Omata on bagai most important hinga TPSC examination ni bagai. Tai daily ni chini channel ni video ni update manan bagai. Chini channel no subscribe khairi di tai bell icon press khairi di. Tai chini Facebook page no bo follow khairi di. Abone lo PDF bo free manai. Chini o show ni. Boro manna hinga Telegram apps download khaina din rok. Abone lo Star Career Tripura hinai Telegram o search khaidi hinga aro nirok PDF mannai. Hinga norok tini ni o show no Pulan siming paitak jora naitongdi. First question. Tamo, which state government announced a new scheme Mukhyamantri Matru Pushti Upahar to combat infant and maternal mortality and malnutrition? Tam saka, bo state government kaise katal scheme karikha Mukhyamantri Matru Pushti Upahar. O scheme ni mung sauni bagai je pregnant beri tongnai. Bohogo basaganang beri tai ap sraini sak rok gaham ke tonun bagai kaise scheme karjaka a scheme boy state o karjaka. Option A nalene Assam, B Kolkata, C Tripura, D Bihar. Right answer angka Tripura. Ngoma chin state no chin state ne noma scheme katal ingke chang chin state ni scheme ke pachang omni details nalene chang tabo. Number 1 point. It is an ambitious scheme to provide nutrition kits to pregnant and lactating women. Meaning go scheme sound bagai pregnant women rong bagai. Bohogo chrai ganang beri rong bagai borong ni sago nutrition dan bagai borong chrai tai borong sakno kaham ke tonan bagai. Second point, pregnant women would be tested 4 times in nearby primary health center and be given a nutrition kit after each test as per the Matru Pushti Upahar scheme. Pregnant women ro Ghana ni hospital thangai test khaijagi manai thei ro tai nutrition kit rejangnai jotono no test khaijamani ulo a kit tam tongnai 500 rupees tongnai mannai tai tamo food items chajangai rok chini daily chajangnai abrok mannai tam mannai inge badam rok mannai soybean rok dal rok kutui rok ghee rok mannai inge Tripura o 40,000 women omani benefit mannai o scheme ni bisingtei. The last point nine state government estimates to incur an expense of around 8 crore for the scheme. 8 crore franjangnai o scheme o. Nge norok kam ke bujinar kana in khakayo. O scheme bisingtei tam o benefit mannai. Abon bagi so chini also exam ni bagi chimi important ya knowledge ni bagi bo important. Government ni tam scheme phaitong aborok saimanani belakino nango. Am bagai chini suno naitong dinaro delino. Next question thalani jeng tabuk. Which state government has decided to launch Adarsh Police Station scheme from July 1? July 1 isime bo state government Adarsh Police Station scheme decide khajaka launch khanin bag. A nalene Punjab, B Chhattisgarh, C Haryana, D Tripura. Right answer nalene right answer angka Chhattisgarh. Omone details jeng saimana nangya tang himala omo state other state ne scheme jeng tam ni details saimana nangya central government ni scheme kaisa details saimana nango tai own state ne nijini state ne scheme rong ni details saimana nang inge other state rong ni inge bung sim mujunar di phayo exam roko scheme name mujo tok nangeno payo asok details mujunar nangya state government rong ni. Next line 3. What is the rank of India in terms of money deposit in Swiss bank while UK tops? India ni rank besek Swiss bank o rank ton money jaka o India ni rank besek inke ajaga UK engka top UK number 1 o joton serang kabang tonnai Swiss bank o inke A nalene India besek rank o option A 77, B 78, C 66, D 69. Right answer angka 77. 4. Recently, which state government has launched at one click initiative? Bo state government one click initiative launch khaike. Okay, bo right answer nalin ching tabo. A. Delhi, B. Gujarat, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Kerala. Right answer kha Gujarat. Ombo mungsi mujnargi one click at one click. Mujnarga pakya asuk detail sama nangyamo. Tangi malau ma state government ne, other state government ne. Okay, next nalin ching tabo. What is the theme of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2020? International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2020 ni theme tamo. Singali ni A. Listen first. B. Health for justice, justice for health. C. Listening to children and youth. D. Better knowledge for better care. Right answer tamnali ni better knowledge for better care. Mujnarli kam ke amatakla ni or deni mo theme. Okay, next thangani hanyo hai last current affair show ni hai keno tinibo tinta country ni capital tai currency ti pheke abun abo ti pheke tangi malla jeng muitonarangan bagai abun abo nai tongan jeng abun bagai 3 country 3 capital 3 currency means 3 days nargai tonnai o kaisen kaisa tangi malla jeng del nai tong ke muito torong mayamo chini bagai muitonarangan bagai belai keno sanai abun bagai abun abo jeng saltam ti phini tinta country narifini jeng Azerbaijan ni capital tamo Baku currency ke manat cholibo Azerbaijan Baku manat ni mujonar waisa bai mujonar bai try khedi Azerbaijan Baku manat nintongni always no ge mujonar Bhutan capital ke Thimphu currency ke Nagaltram Bhutan Thimphu Nagaltram nintongni okay next Brazil capital ke Brasilia currency real Brasilia real jeng omai ke mang saltam nalini jeng kaisa mang okay del nai jong ka hanyo automatic mujonar bi muit tongrong nai chin next thongni organization omo bo jeng saltam narnai sem tangi mala mujonar man bagai chin bagai easy ni saltam jora nai tongnai abni long jeng tai poklak na sibri narong nai tongdi UNESCO organization bung tama UNESCO meaning full form tamo mujonar kam ke United Nations Educational Scientific and Cultural Organization important headquarters bujaga Paris France formation bopranka 4 November 1945 Director General Sabo buni head Edri Ezzuli country member 193 country tong ojaga member hambai tini neo current affairs session asung nangka jotono hambai tai chini Facebook page no follow khaidi tai Telegram o follow khaidi o jaga free PDF rajangnai chini o show ni tai main ko subscribe khani ta pokdi tai bell icon bo press khairidi daily video ni updates manan